So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. All new venting coming from the ceiling bucket. So that's your ceiling bucket. Then up in the attic is dual wall B vent. This is single wall vent for water heater venting. So brand new piece of pipe, brand new adjustable 90, brand new adjustable 90. Over here on the water side, you've got a quarter turn shutoff valve. This is all out of Hajoka. And so quarter turn off, quarter turn on, and then all brass connections. You have iron pipe in the home, so nothing we can really do about that. But out here we've got brass, and then a brass connector, brass nipple, brass 90, brass nipple. Reason why we had to put a turn on there because it was hitting this vent pipe, so a little 90. So all brass construction down to stainless steel. So Falcon stainless steel connector over to brass extensions over at the water heater tank. Same thing on the hot side, brass extension on the water heater tank. So these are like 15-inch water lines, full 3/4 inside diameter, largest in the industry. That's what we use. Relief valve comes with the water heater. It's installed, got a dielectric union, even though this is only a drain line. It's just a good way to transition from threaded pipe to copper pipe over to a copper 90 down to the discharge line. This is existing discharge line. We just took a piece of copper and soldered it onto the adapter here, threaded it together, and then strapped it to the wall, so that's good. Upper third, you've got adjustable strap as per code, and then of course lower third, you got the adjustable strap as per code. And then down here we give you a brand new shutoff valve. You can see back in there, brand new gas valve, brand new corrugated connector, so 1/2-inch OD, so 3/8 inside diameter, 2 foot long, and then that's your controller. We do have it set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. You can see here scalding risk increases with hotter water, so be mindful of that. A is 130, B 140, C 150, very hot 160, B 140, 30 degree burn 3 seconds. Unless you're older or infant, very thin skinned, then you got one second and you get burned, you go to the hospital. So just be mindful of this. You should have plenty of hot water now. Hopefully we addressed the problem. The original problem was they said they had knocking. I'm not sure if it was knocking or rumbling in the water heater. We don't know, because when we got here it wasn't making a noise. So that's all we can do. Anyways, they said the water heater was underperforming. It is old. We didn't take a look at a date on it. We will in a minute here, but it was old and it needs to be replaced. So brand new water heater installed. Burner's lit right now. Oh, it's 93? So other water heaters installed 93. Got a good life out of that. So anyways, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.